that I should connect some people, and that can help me, improve my English language.
Yes, because
So
video conversation is a good method to improve your speaking skill and boost your confidence also. It will definitely boost your confidence. And if you are completing your graduation in BHM, like Bachelor in Hotel Management, then you can get better opportunity in this industry. So first introduce yourself. Where are you from?
yeah, yeah, I must introduce myself. So my name is Machindra Parde. I'm from Maharashtra. So I have completed my 12th standard, and now I am working hotel restaurant as a waiter captain. You know,
Hmm.
so it's my hobbies are play cricket, football, watch TV, swimming, and other people help. I just need people. If you talk about my family, there are 7 people in my family. My father is farmer, and I am also farmer, but as well as I am working hotel restaurant. It's near my village, so Trambakeshwar city. That city I am
Hmm.
working. That in city I
Hmm.
am working. So
But
yeah,
there are so many industry like BPO, call center, domestic call center, some other industries also. Then why did you join hotel industry?
uh, because it's I'm living village area, so near Trambakeshwar city. That city, it's small city, not a big city. Their side not that much facility. That's why their
Hmm.
side also hotel. First of all, then I choose the hotel restaurant. That's why small city.
Hmm. Hmm. So are you also doing study? Like you told me you have completed your 12th, and after that you want to continue your study like
No,
by private mode, some other modes you can apply.
after then not anything doing. After then left study. After then
Mm-hmm.
I didn't study more. After then I joined hotel industry.
Mm. But along with your job, you can complete your graduation by corresponding. Some other methods are available. You can do.
Yeah,
Mm. Because if you are getting good education, so you can apply for HR in the HR and some other post also. General
yeah, right.
manager. Yes. So why you are learning this language?
Uh, yeah, because you know very well. You can see I'm working hotel restaurant, so their side also English is
Mm.
necessary. All kind
Mm.
of people face problem
Mm.
because here mother tongue language Marathi. So
Mm.
many people they can different district they can come sometimes speaking
Mm.
English, and that's why I'm learning English language because yeah I want to.
Mm.
Yeah, I recently I started my journey speaking English language. 2025. This means last month I
Mm.
started speaking journey. So I
Mm.
don't have any that much idea how to talk, what kind of
Mm.
method to use for learning English
Mm.
language. And yesterday
Mm.
I download this application. So
Mm.
I was thinking that I should connect to some people, and that can
Mm.
help me, improve my English language.
Yes,
So
because video conversation is a good method to improve your speaking skills and boost your confidence also. It will definitely boost your confidence. And if you are completing your graduation in BHM, like Bachelor in Hotel Management, then you can get better opportunity in this industry.
yeah,
So you should complete your graduation.
yeah, definitely.
Mm.
Also, I was thinking that I should take action, more study, and that can help
Mm.
me in my future, my life.
Yes.
So
Mm. Because
definitely, I take.
after completing, you can get job in five-star hotels, some good reputed hotels also.
Yeah, right.
On the reception, front desk, executive. There are so many areas where they can appoint you. But yes, graduation is must, and your fluency skill they will check. Yes. So
Uh,
tell me your hobbies. I forget to ask hobbies.
my hobbies are play cricket, football, watch TV, swimming, and other people help, as I say, need people. And nowadays I'm learning English language, so every single day I watch conversation video,
Hmm.
because previously I watch many thing videos, so I could not understand anything. So I was thinking that I should only conversation video. That it's conversation video. It's very helpful for beginning time. That's
Yes,
why
yes.
others
Like
video
you
I
are. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, you were saying something. Go ahead.
others video I did not understand anything. So
Hmm.
conversation
Hmm.
video it's very simply or easy understanding.
Yes, like right now you are working in hotel industry. Every day you are meeting with customers. So now you are speaking in English or Marathi?
Not Marathi, because my English is not good. Sometimes I was thinking that I'm speaking perfectly wrong.
Hmm.
That's why I was thinking. So I'm not using this English language this now time.
Hmm.
So I
Hmm.
was thinking that first of all I improve my English language, good communication with the people. Then I use with the people.
But you can, learn some simple sentence like have a seat. Uh, could you want a glass of water? There are some, simple sentence you can use.
Yeah,
After that,
definitely.
you will get some confidence that you are speaking correct. But you should start. If
Yeah,
you are
yes,
thinking, okay, I'm not so much confident, what will people say? These kind of, so many questions, rising in your head. You should forget. You should
mm,
just speak. Okay, there are so many simple sentences. There are so many channels. You can follow them. You can write in your copy notebook, some other. There are so many applications also available where you can,
yeah,
speak
yeah,
and they will correct you. Yes, like in the hotel industry, mostly words are and sentences are related to hospitality. Okay, so you
yeah,
can learn these sentences. Like if your client is standing, you can simply say, "Please have a seat, sir. How can I help you?" There are so many simple sentences. Every day
yeah,
you
yeah,
can speak with your clients.
uh, yeah, definitely, and that can help improve my English language. Yeah, definitely.
You can
So
like
yeah, I'm
someone is
living.
searching here. There are so many clients. They are puzzled. What should they order? So you can ask, do you searching some other recipes, other dishes? These kind of sentence you can speak easily. Yes.
Mm,
And if you are free, that time you can narrate simple story. There are so many simple stories. You can narrate in your own way. And if you are doing conversation with your co-learner, you can tell your whole day routine. What did you do in the hotel? Your morning routine. There are so many
yeah,
routines you can tell. And whenever you are free, in the free time, like sometimes we are watching some movies also, we are going mall also, there are so many things you can tell. But
right,
you
right,
should
right.
start. But you should
Yeah,
start. Never
yeah,
think that
definitely,
I am
I
not
should.
speaking correct. Yes, you should never think you are not speaking correct. Okay, you forget your mistakes. You should just start speaking. Okay,
Okay,
and you should take more and more video conversations. If you are free, then you should join video session, and if you are occupied, then you can join audio session. But yes, you should be consistent. Every day you should do conversations. And if you are
yeah, yeah.
not free, then in the night time, and whenever you are getting free time, then you can listen some English podcast. Your
Mm.
favorite YouTuber you can listen, but in English.
Oh, oh, that's great.
Yes.
Yesterday I so many try connect with people, but I could not connect any one person, because I don't have any that much idea how to connect people, and
Mm,
what kind of app operate using application. So I could not
mm,
yesterday connect some people, because yesterday
mm,
I got holiday. Still not I am
mm.
connected to some people. But
Sometimes
I'm
it
living in
happens.
village area, so nobody there speak English language. Nobody there interested to speak English language. It's quite difficulty for me to improve my English language. So yes,
Mm.
I was thinking that I should connect to some apps. In apps, many things people they want to improve in language. So why not I am also connect. So yesterday I
Mm.
was many things tried, but I could not connect as someone. But
Like
finally I
you told
connect.
me, like you told me, you were trying to connect with someone. So you gathered some courage for connecting someone. Similarly, you should gather some courage for speaking, okay, with live persons like your clients, your front desk executive, your colleagues. You can speak, okay.
Okay.
And sometimes it happens on the application. Most of the persons are busy in the evening time. Housemakers are busy in the evening time, so they can't connect with you. Homemakers are busy in
Yeah.
the evening time, so
Oh,
mostly they are not able to connect in the evening time and night time. Mostly they connect in 11, 12, and 2 p.m., 3 p.m. I also, I'm not free all time. I always connect only 3 p.m., 3 to 4 p.m.
oh, that time you
Yes,
can get time.
yes.
Okay.
Because every person has their own, time limit, their own free time. If they are free, they will join you. If they are occupied, they are not able to join you. That is the reason. And you can, simply watch in the groups. There are so many groups. If someone is free, you can join easily that person.
Okay.
Yes, if someone is writing, like if someone is free for video session or audio session, and if you are also free, then you can join that person for conversation. It's simple.
Okay.
It's not rocket
So
science.
okay. So ma'am, where do you live?
I live in
Where do you
Rajasthan.
live?
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
Mm,
Okay. Are you a
yes.
teacher? Are you a teacher?
No, I'm not a teacher. But yes, before starting my channel, I was teaching some kids in the school. But due to some reason, I, left my job.
Okay.
Mm. Now I had created my channel where I am doing conversation with the like co-learners, my some friends also, and I'm improving my communication skills.
Okay. You can send your channel name. I definitely subscribe, like, and watch your video. So you can after conversion video, you can
After
send me.
conversation, I will share the link, okay, where I'm
Okay.
uploading your videos, some other videos I will upload. Yes, you can watch your video also. I think tomorrow, not tomorrow. After 2 3 days, I will upload your channel. I will upload your video. Sorry. Okay.
We are upload.
I'm saying after 2 or 3 days, I will upload your video. Okay. So you can
Okay.
watch your video on my channel.
Okay. Okay. And
So how many hours are you doing practice for English? How many hours?
mm, every single day,
Every single day. 1 hour, half hour, 15 minutes, 20 minutes.
3 4 hours every single day. I give you time for learning English language because
Hmm.
I'm in this nowadays very quite interested to improve your English language. So I was
Hmm.
thinking that yeah, definitely I want to improve my English language. And yeah, so how can fluency any kind of person to talk any.
There are so many techniques. First, you should do audio sessions or video sessions almost every day. Okay. And there are some person who are saying like you can do mirror practice. Okay. You should stand in front of mirror and you can do practice with yourself. Third method, you can narrate your whole day routine, story also. There are so many methods. And fourth is
Oh,
if you like shadowing practice. Shadowing means like if you like any YouTuber who are very good in English, any native speaker. So you can, shadowing that person. Like there are so
oh,
many good native speaker who are speaking in English. Okay. And you can pause their video and you can, again repeat that dialogue. This is
okay.
the method. There are so many methods, but it's all up to you. If you like shadowing, then you can do. If you like mirror practice, so you can do. But in my case, I don't like mirror practice.
Why?
I don't know why, but I, never like mirror practice.
But
I
anything reason? But what I am saying that neither a mirror, I am not a mirror technical use, because suddenly someone person they can came there, and they can thinking that what kind of language you use and what kind of technical you use. I think they thinking that he is mad like this. They can thinking. So that's why I'm not a mirror technical use.
like I have already told you so many methods. If you are comfortable with everyday conversation, then you
Huh?
can do. If you are comfortable with mirror, so you can do with mirror. Okay. And if you have plenty time for listening some podcast, English podcast, then you can
Yeah.
listen. There are so many methods you can apply.
Uh, Podcast video, I can't understand. Whenever I listen to try, but podcast video, I can't understand. So
Mhm.
still, I'm watching, because really, I want to improve my English language. So definitely, I watch, observing, and you can say practice every single day.
Mm.
So
There are
that's
some kids
why.
channel. There are some kids channel also who are telling English stories. So you can listen. These stories are very simple. There is one channel, Tia and Tofu. You can watch that channel. They always narrate some
Okay.
English stories. Simple, simple stories. Every day you can listen, and then you can summarize these stories, and you can tell your, co-learner also. Yes. So I
Okay.
think now we should wind up this session. Okay. Do you have any question for me?
No, thank you. Thank you for giving me so many tips and so many idea. So thank you.
Mm.
And thank you give your precious time for me. So that's why